The best mouth-watering paella by Paella Catering services you must try in London. Behold! Vamos Paella understands your cravings and brings the best paella in London. Our recipe gives you a distinct taste with aromatic and cooked to perfection rice, vegetable and freshest seafood. Our professionally trained chefs are connoisseurs who have devoted their lives to perfecting their craft and preparing paella that looks just as good as it tastes. We prepare flawless tapas, paella and desserts for events of any type and size. Paella is cooked on site to ensure it's hot, fresh, and delicious. Our dedication to quality is unrivaled, and we're incredibly proud of the efforts we make to exceed even the highest expectations. Vamos Paella's top 3 dishes you must have for your next big event. If you're looking for a delicious paella catering experience that will transport you to the streets of Spain, Vamos Paella is the perfect option for you. Our traditional paella and tapas cuisine is packed with flavor, and will leave your taste buds wanting more. Some of their most popular paella dishes include paella valenciana, arroz negro and chicken cooked in oloroso sherry. So if you're planning an event, be sure to give us a try. Here's a little introduction to what these amazing dishes are. Paella valenciana. Traditionally this is made with chicken, rabbit and vegetables. Arroz negro. Black rice with monkfish, squid ink, vividly red prawns, bright wedges of lemon yum. Chicken cooked in oloroso sherry. This is simple chicken paella using sherry vinegar to bring a touch of acidity that works incredibly well. The sherry vinegar cuts through the traditional base of tomato, paprika and saffron often used in paella dishes, lifting the dish and bringing lovely freshness. Our paella has all things good, juicy seasoned meats, tender crisp beans, and the best part, saffron-scented rice with crispy toasty rice bits. It's a dream come true. Your paella catering is in safe hands with Vamos Paella, whether you need catering for wedding, private parties, conferences, training days or office parties. We can cater for up to 500 guests in one sitting and more on a rolling basis. If your event is themed, we're happy to work with you to tailor a menu to reflect this. Let's talk. Contact information. Address: 4 Gordon Road, Brighton, East Sussex, South East England, BN16 PD. Contact number 781 558 2231. Email vamospaella@gmail.com. Website https://www.vamospaella.co.uk. Social media links: facebook.com/famospaella, twitter.com/famospaella, pinterest.com/famospaella, food/instagram.com/famospaella/.